Let's hear it for Steve Montego, Pete Hall, Dave Ludington with special guest Tommy Vale. Give it up for Pete and the Parrot Head.
Anyone having a good summer so far? I can tell a couple of you are. We're going to start with the greatest summer song there ever was.
In the summertime when the weather's high, you can reach right up and touch the sky. When the weather's high, we got women on our mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take a walk on me. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Sing along with me, you can do it till the sun's 25. Have a drink, have a drive, we're happy with half, but we're alive. We're not great people, we're not good at what I mean. We love everybody, but we do what we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing, we go ready to sea. We're always happy, lives we're living, yeah, that's all lots of big. Tommy, please use some Texas. Time. Bring your bottle and your black clothes. We all love summertime. Let's sing again. Maybe take a drive and we'll settle down. We're always happy, life's for you, and yeah, that's where we're going down. One more. In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can reach right up and touch the sky. When the weather's high, we got women on our mind. We're always happy, life's for living, yeah, we'll feel it fine. Do that again. We're always happy, lives we're living, yeah, we're doing fine. Yeah!
Oh, that's the truth.
Okay.
Anyone ever heard of Jimmy Buffett before?
We got any Parrot Heads out there?
Do we have any Parrot Heads out there besides me? Steve Montego.
Okay, now, anyone need an explanation of what a Parrot Head is? Anybody sitting out there going, what are you guys doing? So, if you like summer, if you like beer and margaritas, sand, and just hanging out on the beach, you're a Parrot Head.
We are, by the way, a Jimmy Buffett tribute band. And this is Jimmy's big seller. This is the one that got him all the franchises, got him all the novels and all the contracts. So we're going to do it for you right now. Help us out, sing along in the choruses. It's called Wasting Away Again in Margarita.
Don't know the reason, stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. He never says where it is, but it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How I got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margarita, searching for a night, I'll shake her soft, 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 soft. Some people claim that there's every woman there's a woman lane. Well, I guess it's my own damn fault.
Thank you. Here's one he recorded with Jimmy Buffett a couple of years ago. It's called 5 O'Clock Sunday. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Ah, the Mitchell Center. Man, I can lay my tab, pour myself in a cab, get back to work by 2. Times like these, I wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do? He'd say, there's something calling strong with you. Came over and sang, it's only 12:30, I just don't care. You know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It is. Oh, you know what I'm talking about. Wasn't that sweet, huh? Wasn't that sweet?
A lot of sailing down in Key West. There's a song about pirates.
Mother, Mother Ocean, I have heard you call. Wanted to sail upon your waters since I was 3 feet tall. You've seen it all. You've seen it all. Watch the many sailed you switch from sail to steam. In your belly you can hold the treasures few have ever seen. Most of them dreams. Most of them dreams. Mother, Mother Ocean. Pirate looks at 40, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Johnny Mayo, what do you think? You know, you can chair surf.
Well, that's true. We've started this whole thing because we don't have that much surfing in Michigan, right? I have a couple friends that do it, but you gotta do it in January.
Surf off a bridge.
Because that's when so we've got this thing, and you guys are set up for perfect. We call it chair surfing, right? You gotta, yeah, exactly. Here we go. You kind of, when it gets to the point, boom, you hit it, right? You're feeling maybe 1 foot. Now, you gotta be cool because, you know,
Control yourself.
those of you that are beginners, maybe keep both feet down. My favorite part.
contract there. So my first wife and I, we took a plane there, met a great guy named Mr. Vernon Wood. This song goes out to him. Long may you run.
I personally think it's very important that I personally live on top of the food chain wherever I am. So if you go in the woods, you know, we haven't got any tigers, lions, bears, crocodiles, sharks. Lake Michigan is salt-free, that's cool. We don't have any earthquakes to speak of. We have no hurricanes, we have no poisonous snakes. I think this is very cool. And we have no volcanoes.
Working for you. Thank you so much.
For that cheese paradise, worth every damn bit of sacrifice. And on earth, wind, and on your slice, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. I like mine with lettuce and tomato, Heinz 57, and French fried potato. Big kosher pickle with a cold glass of beer. Oh, good God Almighty, which way do I steer? I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. And on earth we'll
San Francisco, so I like this song. Jimmy Buffett. Heading out to San Francisco for the Labor Day weekend show. Well, I got my hush puppies on, man. I never was meant for glitter rock and roll, I guess not. But honey, now I didn't know. That's the reason I just had to go. Come Monday, it'll be alright. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I'll spend all the days in the memories. I just want you back by my side. Things will get better on Tuesday, 'cause I know I'll be right by your side. I'll be playing my acoustic guitar. This is something you cannot deny. Oh, people, I love it so. That's the reason I can't let it go.
Give them a big hand. They're fearless. They're scared shitless.
They're more fearless than all of us, huh? They're crazy enough. We have instruments in our hands. Yeah, just come out and go on the other side. Yes, dear. You get to be the thin X.
No, we got Pam, we got Sarah, and Crystal, and Radar. Anybody know this guy? Oh, we got more. They're filtering in.
We got one more.
And Olivia. So Pam, Sarah, Radar, Crystal, and Olivia. You guys know the drill. Okay, when it's, and you guys too, you get your fin up, and it's fin to the left.
To the left.
Fins to the right. That's all. Up. I see somebody out there. And you don't have to get out of your chair. You could surf up until the fin part. So this one is called fins. Surprise?
Surprised. I'm surprised.
Okay, you guys, take a bow.
I can see the pinners. I can see the pinners. Thank you so much.
I like these guys. They take direction well.
They do take direction.
So, nicely done.